To reset your Tosot portable air conditioner, we'll start with the power cycling process. This clears any temporary errors and prepares the unit for a proper reset. Next, unplug the unit from the electrical outlet. This completely disconnects power and allows any residual electrical charge to drain from the internal components. Let the unit sit unplugged for a few minutes. This waiting period ensures that all residual power drains from the internal circuitry, allowing for a complete reset. Tosot portable air conditioners feature an LCDI plug, that's leakage current detection and interruption. This safety device helps prevent electrical fires by detecting current leaks and automatically shutting off power. To reset the LCDI plug, first plug the unit back into the outlet. Then locate the test and reset buttons on the plug head. They're clearly labeled for easy identification. Press the test button first. You should hear a clicking sound as the reset button pops out. This confirms the safety mechanism is working properly. Finally, press the reset button again. You should hear another click as the button engages and stays in position. The plug is now supplying power to the unit and ready for operation. If the test button doesn't cause the reset button to pop out, or if the reset button won't stay engaged, this indicates a problem. Unplug the unit immediately and contact customer support for assistance. After successfully resetting the LCDI plug, wait a moment before turning the air conditioner back on. This allows the system to clear any remaining errors and ensures a clean startup. While Tosot portable air conditioners don't have a specific factory reset procedure, there are several reset methods you can try depending on your model. First, check if your universal remote has a reset button. Look for a small reset button on your remote control and press it according to your manual's instructions. If there's no reset button, try an alternative method. Plug the unit back in while simultaneously pressing the power button. This can often initiate a system reset. If your unit isn't cooling properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you should check before attempting a reset. Start by cleaning or replacing your air filters, checking your temperature and mode settings, and ensuring proper exhaust ventilation through the hose connection. After 250 hours of operation, a filter cleaning icon will appear on your display. The reset procedure depends on your specific Tosot model. For Chalet series models, press and hold the minus button on the unit for 5 seconds to reset the filter indicator. For Tranquility models, press and hold both the time and minus buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds to reset